for PC here, you should go to bluestacks.com, and then you should come to that page and just click on download for PC. If it's Mac, it'll say download for Mac, and just go ahead and hit save. And you can prefer to save it wherever you prefer. At this time, I'm just going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Now, what you're going to want to do is also you're going to want to download Showbox. Now, you can go to showboxapk.org to actually download this application. Just click on Showbox APK download, and once you're done, you can just go ahead and hit save. Say click on where you want to save it. At this time, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. I'll explain to you guys on how to get this up and running. And now, it is very important that you create a Google account. You can do that by going to google.com, or you can just do it through Bluestacks once you're done installing it. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. I'm going to go ahead and bring these two apps in here. There's Showbox right there. That's the APK file. Obviously, it doesn't have an image until you install Bluestacks. So I'm going to go ahead and extract that and start installing Bluestacks. Now that Bluestacks has done installing, it should be very simple and ongoing from here on. Just go ahead and improve your accuracy, just hit agree. I'm going to go ahead and hit that now. Now it is very important before you install Showbox, you actually set up a Google account. And the way you can do that is you go to all apps, Bluestacks settings, and at the bottom it'll say advanced settings. Click on advanced settings, and it should say device, personal, accounts, system. Go under accounts and hit add account. Now here I'll give you two options, Facebook or Google. Go ahead and put in Google. Facebook will not work, so you have to go in through Google and then get into your Facebook. Don't ask me why, but that's how it would work. But anyways, so you click on, you add your Google account. If you have an existing one, go ahead and add an existing one. If not, you can click on the new, whatever you prefer. Now I'm just going to go back to the main screen. I'm going to leave this open. I'm not going to close out of Bluestacks. Now remember, I'm doing this on a Windows 10. Usually if you close out of this, it will not install Showbox. So now when I minimize this, you're going to get a little Showbox. As you can tell, the icon changed now. So that means that now it can read APK files. Your computer can read them. So you're going to click on that. It's going to show you installing APK. Once that's done, your computer should flash like that. You should see some flashes there. It should open up in Showbox, but the fact that you have Windows 10, it won't, so it'll just show you an icon. So you're going to go ahead and click on Showbox, and then it's going to say available a new version. Just go ahead and hit update on that, let it update. Once that's done updating, you should be able to actually go in and save your shows and stuff like that. Now, whatever show you decide to watch, if it's The Simpsons, you can click on it. It tells you that you can scroll down and then pick through different seasons, things like that. You can always add to library. If you add to library, you go to my library. Oh, there it goes. It looks like the application is done updating. So I'll just go ahead and hit install. Anyways, I'll show you more once we get in there once it's done. So like I was talking about it, you go to my library, you go to shows, I have shows there, movies. I don't prefer to download them. I mean, you can, but it's up to you. You will get apps like this that pop up. just close out of them, and you can add that to the library. So you can always go back and watch it. So sometimes it will do this because it's thinking it's a tablet. Once that's done, it'll actually show up for the server. It's just basically looking for that shows things like that. But if you hit add to library, now you can go back to my library, and you have that, it shows you have that. So really it's pretty simple and easy. If you ever want to get out of here, you can go to home at the bottom. So this is how the Bluestacks player looks. You can play any game you want that you could play on your iPhone or anything like that. Or it's free on the Android, but you have to pay for it on an iPhone. Things like that. You get the point, guys. That's basically Bluestacks. It allows you to run Android apps and everything like that. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to go ahead and visit our website at sd-electronic.com and take a look around, see if I could help in any other kind of way, or my community.